Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you all this orange and gold look. I'm going to be using the 35M Boss Mood palette by Morphe, and I'm going to be dipping into the color Fired Up, that burnt orange. I'm going to apply that to my crease and blend it out, and also to my outer corner. Now I'm going to be taking a Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I'm using the color Chocolate Gold, and I'm going to be applying that to my lid. Next, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and I'm going to be creating a thin winged liner. Next, I'm going to be taking the chocolate gold color and applying that at the bottom of my eye. Now I'm going to be applying lashes, so I'm putting on mascara first, and I'm using the Bad Girl Bang mascara by Benefit. And the lashes that I have, they are by Ardell. I did forget the style that they are, so I do apologize, but I will try to find the style and list it in the description box. Moving on to the face, so all the products that I'm using on my face I have used in my previous videos that I've done. I will leave the links to those videos in my description box. Also, all the products are going to be listed as well, so Alright, and that is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment, like, if you have not already, subscribe to my channel, and see you all later.